Welcome back. To Dave the Diver. Day 29. Okay. I'm getting back in the swing of this. We have the VIP, which we've already solved the VIP. We've got what we need for that. And we're looking at the shark event, which we've been looking forward to. But here's what we're going to change. And we do have some changes that we're going to need to make. We're going to go to the fish farm. And we are going to radically alter what we're storing in the fish farm. Actually, you know what? Before we do that, before we do that, I wish there was an easy way to access my recipes. Where would that be? What's this Eco Watcher? Do I have anything I can turn in here? Yeah, why not? I could have sworn there was a management app. There it is. Does this include my recipes? Kind of. This is the one I'm interested in. Titan triggerfish, harlequin hind, coral trout, and then we need lots and lots of rice. Let's check our, before we do the thing that we were going to do, let's check the... Oh, that's right. This guy's working to expand this. Right. We're low on nutrients. But we already have a fertilizer working. So we'll get rice tomorrow, basically. Alright, so we're set for rice. Back to the fish farm. So we know we want tiger triggerfish. We know we want harlequin hide, and we know we want, what was the third one? This one right here. Triggerfish, harlequin hide, and coral trout. All right, so we're going to keep this coral trout, but we're going to send this to the kitchen. All of it. We're going to send this to the kitchen. All of it. We're keeping the shark. We're going to kitchen the shrimp. Mullet. So I was thinking about this while I was taking a little bit of a break from the game. And I realized I'm not trying to run Noah's Ark here. I'm trying to make some money. In order to make some money, we need to get this, we need to get some really good dishes at high level. And the dish I'm focused on is this one, so we need to get lots of fish of these types in place. In order to do that, we need to have room. In order to do that, we need to get away from this idea of 2x2, and we need like 30 of the fish that we want, and none of the rest. And then if I really need some of the other types of fish, then I'd need to go with my net gun and capture them. The exception being if we have a day, right? We've got the shark day. So we're gonna keep the shark. But once shark day is done, we're gonna have to make a hard choice about sharks. There we go. So we'll let the tigerfish or the triggerfish replicate, and then maybe we'll grab a shark or two. Those are the ones that I'm primarily concerned with. We actually have this new depth here. We need to get some stuff for that depth. Yeah, again, we've got this weird collection of kind of random stuff. But we'll deal with that in a minute. All right, I think we need to go for some sharks, which typically means, well, let's see what Cobra has for us. We're in the morning. If we want shark, then we should get the ammo. And then we should go here. Yeah, I think we should stick with our Quattro. Let's go for it. Perfect. We were looking for shark. Ow. My goodness. Took a whole clip. Break that down for parts. One thing I do remember is we're always interested in more fragments. Reload. And the number of stars, and you probably figured this out before I did, just talks about the amount that you're going to get, not the quality. The quality is just sort of a proxy. We should get that, upgrade that tip. It's just a proxy for quantity. So higher quality kill methods result in more usable meat. Oh, I didn't know this had a charged attack. Okay. I have no idea when you're going to be in a situation where you can do that, but it seems cool. I don't know where you even came from. Calling the drone for that so we can move on, find some air, find some ammo. Buy some seaweed. Uh-oh. Maybe we should get air before we worry about collecting that. All right, we got extra air, extra ammo, and a shark to target. Actually, we're getting a lot of good ingredients. But we still have lots of space. Lots of space in our inventory. Ow. You know, if this was a net gun, I might be happy with that. Wow. The reason why I wanted the net gun is because I do want to get a decent amount of smaller fish for the target dish, which is that seafood platter. Oh boy. Go, go, go. Oh, I know sea grape is good. Hush dart. Oh, there's the wizard hat. There's no way this is going to work, though. Oh. Well, that was easy. Somehow I knew that that net gun wouldn't work on that fish, but I had to try it. Oh boy. Oh boy, I could be in trouble here. Oh, switching weapons could be helpful. Don't think I have time to switch weapons, though. All right, time for some cheese. Just get out of that fight, totally. Typically, there's air down here. Uh-oh. Boo. Uh-oh, we're getting weighted. We could be in trouble if that shark is still outside the shipwreck. My hope is that he's reset. All right. Oh, are we totally full? Yeah, we're totally full. I think I should check this weapon just in case something crazy happens and we have to fight. Better to have a lethal. There's a call box. Exactly what I need. Well, that was a good dive. Shark, stingray, shark, shark, shark. Sushi platter, sushi platter. Yeah, more shark. That's pretty good. I'm happy with that. Now then, we'll send you your fee when the issue is out on Monday morning. Please keep this up. Okay. Oh, goodness. We're going to check the fish one more time. I would think that our dish is looking a little better, except we need some Titan triggerfish. We need some of everything, actually. Some roe there, that's good. Coral roe, that's good. All right, there's some decent options. We're going to try the small fish combination of the lure and the net gun. We tried this once before and it didn't work out very well. Little upgrades to the harpoon. Very much welcome in this scenario. I would like to see some of the fish I actually want to be nearby. Oh boy. Oh, you're really close, aren't you? Hmm. We'll just send you up. I'm tempted to drop the bait. But let's deal with this long nose first, I suppose. Oops. Alright, if you're willing to be cool, I'm willing to be cool. Let's see here. Are we doing this? Uh-oh. All right, we're going to try dropping this bait. That's better. That's a super crash. It didn't like me using the bait so effectively. Let me load back up. I think we'll be back to the afternoon side of this day, but give me a second. Okay, we're back. And I was right. We're back on the afternoon on the boat before we started the dive for the day. And he's reminding us to come get the crops, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. Pull some weeds, grab some rice. I've already removed all the weeds. Why would I leave weeds if I saw them? I'll grow the rice, just kill off the insects now and then. That harpoon to the knee joke. We're going to try it again. I'm curious if we actually crash because we used the bait and the net. Could have been a coincidence. Sneaky. All right. I need to give this guy a little bit more room, apparently. Oh boy. All right. Probably don't want to take on 2 sharks at the same time with a net gun. You know what? We're gonna accept it. Sure, the game crashed on us and totally robbed us, but we're gonna accept it because we're ready to just really get into restaurant service today. That's really what we want to do. Oh, okay, so the rice is already planted, ready to go. We don't have to do anything. Cool. Thanks, buddy. We'll have to make some adjustments here once we decide what kind of fish we want. Right now, we know we want fish here, tigerfish, and we know we want here the coral and the harlequin hide. So those are the ones we're going to focus on. And let's go to the sushi. And let's check our staff. Charisma increases permanently. Serves drinks. That's getting us a lot of appeal. If I check our staff, though, what do we have? Got a... Oh, this guy's... I think we should put out another ad. And let's check our menu. $20 rice to enhance. Holy moly. Wow. Okay. So we're saving that. Interesting. It's not evident to me which one of these are going to be for the VIP. All right, we've got 100 lionfish. We should enhance. We're sorted by price right now. Let's go up here and look at some of our higher priced items. Interesting. We could get... The vegetable sushi is completely grown in the farm. That's kind of nice. A little enhancement. Problem is that it also takes rice. But a little enhancement could make that good. 600 for a serving. That's exciting. We're going to add this to the menu. Auto supply 1. Add this to the menu. Auto supply 1. We're going to keep our shark, but we might enhance. Ooh. Nope. Not going to enhance. Man, everything wants rice. I mean, I would imagine sushi would take rice. Enhance. Yeah. We can put some of our max level long nose on the menu. No problem. We got plenty of that. We need to stay in the higher price realm as much as we can. And actually, let's go down to the part where we don't have the ingredients. Grilled shark meat and copper shark meat. Okay, that's fine. These are all boss level meals. Even when you start enhancing this one pretty aggressively, it's still only generating 10 money. It's kind of a... I don't know. Should I worry about these lower level dishes at all? I'm starting to think the answer is no. But everything else is taking ingredients that I really want to try to keep. $200's not bad. All right. That is looking pretty good. One of these, at least, the tropical fish, tropical fish sushi set, serves multiple people, so that should make it really good. Let's get out here and serve drinks for somebody. Oh, wow. That was too slow. Oh, jeez. El Nino's killing it. Glad to see those sushi platters going out the door. Gotta pay attention to the wasabi grind. All right. Pulled in almost 10 grand net profit. I went to the higher levels of the Cooksta rank, and that's how it determines how your what your daily expenses are. So if you want to keep your expenses low, don't rush to increase your Cooksta rank. Man, this little dude is a pain to keep up with. Wow, it's really stuck on the middle one there. I wouldn't mind having access to the next reward, which is 60 points away. So we need 2 more of these. Okay. Cooksta rank. We're going to hold off before we go on to Diamond. But what we will do is head back to the sushi bar and let's see if we can maybe upgrade the interior. Is that an option? Like, are these giving me a better rank? Change time. Oh, I see. So you can see what it looks like. I suppose I'll go through and upgrade some stuff here. It's the all white sushi bar. Oh, I can only put one of these out at a time? That's where the vinyl record went. Okay. Well, we're going to blow 3,500 on decoration. Actually, it does kind of look better. Have to admit it. Let's check in on the staff. Wait until tomorrow. We've unlocked all of the skills. We're waiting for everybody to come back from their deliveries. All right, I think we're all set. Let's check the fish farm. Yeah, we're going to have to let these triggerfish replicate a little bit. Tiger sharks. Tiger shark. Harlequin hide. These are good numbers. We want sharks for the day, and we want the other two for our current special dish. Well, I think we'll leave the blood belly foam jellyfish. And I think we'll leave a coin as well. Those will be the ones that we breed. All right, I think we're going to call it. First video on the arcade channel. If you haven't subscribed to this particular channel yet, be sure to. All the Dave the Diver stuff is going to live here. There will be a playlist that gives you access to all of my Dave the Diver playthrough from all the channels that I use. Well, both of them. The main channel, Who is JBug, and this channel, Who is JBug Arcade. That way, you can just fire up that playlist and see it all straight through. But if you want to see the latest and greatest Dave the Diver playthroughs, as well as my other arcade-focused gaming playthroughs, which I'm saying is going to be focused on controllers, couches, and co-op, subscribe here. Other than that, thanks for hanging out. We'll see you next time. Tomorrow is Shark Day, finally. Can't wait.